to teach you how to use CSS cascading style sheets. There are three type of CSS. Okay, one is external CSS, second one is internal CSS, and third one is inline CSS. For external CSS and for internal CSS, when CSS is documented, CSS is declared inside a HTML document. Okay, when CSS is declared inside a HTML document, it is known as internal CSS. For example, this is the layout ABCD. If you want to create this layout using simple HTML code, then we have to write these things. Okay, because we have to create one big large table, so we have uh, uh, maintain a width of 50%, height 600 pixel, and align center table. We have align table center and cell padding with cell padding 0 and cell spacing 0. In TD, in one cell, for one set of cell we have used BG color as pink and font size 20 pixel and green. In the same way, we have used another set of color combination that is cyan and 6 pixel and color red. Okay, you can conclude from this code that we have to use multiple coding, same type of coding in the uh, in a repeated way. Okay, same type of coding in a repeated way. To avoid this type of problem, we have to use CSS. Okay, for that we have to create style dot set. Okay, dot set to background. Color green and font size 20 px. The same way for set to. This is an example of internal CSS, and this is color combination for set to. Okay, that is background to pink, background sign color red. Okay, save this file. Now we need to call this set1 and set2 class in HTML tagging. Okay, so we have to move here class equal to set1. Okay, we have created internal CSS, and in the in CSS, within the style tag, within the style tag we have written two class, that is set 1 and set 2, and for set 1 we have defined some attribute, and for set 2 we have defined some attribute. Um, and in HTML tagging, we are calling corresponding set of class. Okay. uh, uh, this type of CSS coding is called internal CSS. We need to save this file, press Ctrl S, and then you can check in, refresh this browser, you will find that same type of coding. Okay, same. Okay, this is example of internal CSS. If you want to change, if and it is very easy to maintain uh, web page when we are using internal CSS, because for example, if you want to change the uh, color of box, okay, color of box, then we need to change in only one location. Okay. Control S, save it, and refresh this page, you find. Okay, it is very easy to maintain internal CSS. Now in next tutorial we are going to learn how to use external CSS. What is external CSS? Okay, thank you for your time. Wait for next video tutorial.